Hey guys, I'm Dupree, and today I'm going to show you the most missed shots in pool and how to avoid missing them. So usually the most missed shots are always on the 9 ball because it's the pressure ball, either the 9, the 8, or the 10, whatever game you're playing. But I'm going to show you using the 9 ball on all of them as a kind of pressure situation. Usually they're missed because of either shakiness or just you're nervous. But this is the angle that I see most commonly miss, usually. I see this miss like so. Just like that. I see it missed towards this rail, and there is a reason why. It is actually perfectly normal to miss this shot towards that rail. And this is actually the wrong way to miss this shot. If there's a correct way to miss this shot, it'd be overcutting it so you wouldn't leave a shot except for a bank. So missing it towards this long rail can be very, very crucial. The reason people miss this towards the long rail is when they are aiming, they're aiming for the back of the pocket. And if you look at the line between the 9 and the back of the pocket, it goes right into this rail. That's why you see this ball so commonly missed towards that rail. Just like that. That's what happens all the time. Since you get that long rail, it hangs there and leaves your opponent a really, really, really easy shot. So, to avoid missing it, leaving a hanger like that, you have to shoot for the opening of the pocket, which is more here rather than the back of the pocket. So always on this shot, you need to get down, just like that. Another commonly missed one is the same shot, but from further away. And especially with some added speed. So this shot is always missed towards that rail. Same concept, because people are aiming at the back of the pocket instead of the opening of the pocket. So the way you fix this habit is you're always going to have to come over here and look at the line. Look at the line, visualize the line. Then we're going to start with some slow rolls. And that one we actually compensated a bit too much. So we're going to start with slow rolls, which are relatively difficult, especially from a distance. So there are the 2 different ways to miss it. And now you really find the healthy middle of those 2. And roll that ball in. Next, after we make that, I usually make that 25 times if I'm struggling with it. Next, we take the real hard version, which is making it with speed. Making it with speed and spin. It's harder. See, we're using back right English. And then sometimes I like to increase the angle a bit because this one is even harder for me. So that shot right there with speed, I never shoot that with speed. Just because I know I'm most likely going to miss it. So usually I slow roll that one, but I'd like to be in a place where I don't have to make adjustments for certain shots. I can just get down and make it however I want to. So I'm going to continue to practice that shot right there. But the way to do that is just shooting these balls usually 25 times. 21, get yourself in a habit. 25 just for that little extra. Okay, so another shot I see missed quite often is this spot shot right here. And I don't really understand why this is so hard. Spot shot comes pretty naturally to me. But really I see this missed very, very often. Even from distances like that. I don't understand why that's missed. I can understand from back here. From back here I understand greatly why this is missed. Distance makes everything harder on your eyes. See, we overcut that one by a mile. So again, just this very, very simple. The way to improve on a shot is to set it up, slow roll it in a few times. We're not worried about our cue ball at all. We're playing this plain ball right now. Then after we slow roll it 25 times, we're trying speeding it up. Speeding it up will always throw it off a little bit. But we want to make the sped up version 25 times. And it's going to be tough, especially from a distance. Short range, I don't struggle with this at all. But if I'm way back here and I have to hit it with speed for some reason, it's very, very hard to make this one. But obviously it can't be done. You're just going to have to hit it hard, accurate, keep a firm bridge. And then after that, I don't do this too much. Not 25 times, but I try to hit it excessively hard. Just to practice my stability on this shot. Because if I can make it and hit it excessively hard, then obviously I can make it and hit it at a good medium pace. But this is obviously the hardest one. This one you'd never shoot it like this in a game, unless you were just a whack-a-mole kind of player. But you'd want to shoot it a few times for a good measure. Also, it's fun to shoot, but that will happen if you make it. So let's move on to the next shot. Okay, so the last shot I'm going to talk about, long straight-in shots. Look like this. A lot of times you see people go miss them towards that direction. It's not a certain direction, but they always miss it slightly away from the pocket. It's always so close but slightly away. The reason for that is unwanted spin on the cue ball. So whenever you hit the cue ball on its left, you see how it goes off to the right? And vice versa, when I hit it on its right, it goes off to the left. That happens during a shot, but to a smaller effect. But on a straight-in shot, if you're aiming for straight in, and it goes off to the left just a little bit, you're going to miss that ball over there. So unwanted spin is the reason a lot of people miss these. So you really have to focus on the amount of spin that you're using on your cue ball when shooting these. So again, it's the same drill. Shoot it 25 times. Slow rolling it on this one is going to be the hardest because it's long distance, and if the table is unlevel at all, you could miss it. But set it up 25 times slow roll, 25 times, making it with a little bit of speed, and then also a few times maybe of trying to make it excessively hard. Again, these are the hardest ones, but this will also help you improve your other ones. Just don't make a sloppy stroke out of it. Don't turn this into just whacking a ball as hard as you can for fun. This is serious aim, serious practice. We're not standing up on our shot. We're trying to maintain center ball on our cue ball. Pop that in. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please click the like button down below. If you want to be notified when I post a new video, you can click the subscribe button, then the bell icon right next to it. That'll just send you an email and a notification saying that I've uploaded a new video. If you guys want to support me and get access to these super secret classes, first one starts today at 5 p.m. So if you want to join that class, make sure you do this now. Click the link in the description of this video. It is down below. Click that little drop down arrow. You see a link to my Patreon. Then to there, that is a website where creators can get their followers to support their social media pages. So you can support me with a monthly donation, becoming a patron of mine, and in return you get access to this super secret class. We have 2 patrons right now. We want a few more to be able to join this class today at 5 p.m. Central Time. So make sure you go and check that out down in the description below. It is under the first tier in my Patreon. So make sure you go and check that out, please. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.